everyone, our theme is let's make ice cream as quickly as possible by using freezing point depression.
When we were searching for an experiment by using water, we found an experiment to make ice cream by using a freezing point depression. However, amount of salt and ice differ depending on each experiment. So, in order to find out which percentage can cool down the fastest.
Experimental method 1. Put ice in the bowl. 2. Add salt. 3. Count for 3 minutes. 4. Measure the temperature. Experiment 1. Try changing the amount of salt. Experimental method based on a 1 to 10 ratio of salt and ice. The amount of salt was gradually increased without changing the amount of ice. Hypothesis: the higher the amount of salt, the faster the temperature will drop. Experimental 1 result.
Experiment 2. Try changing the amount of ice. Experimental methods based on a 1 to 10 ratio of salt and ice. The amount of ice was gradually increased without changing the amount of salt. Hypothesis: the higher the amount of ice, the faster the temperature will drop. Experimental 2 result. Consideration. From experiment 1, it is those that the more salt, the faster it will cool down. From experiment 2, it is those that the speed at which it gets cold is not much different, even if you change the amount of ice.
Let's make ice cream. 1. Put 100 grams of milk and 15 grams of sugar in a Ziploc. 2. Put 150 grams of ice in a Ziploc. 3. Put 50 grams of salt in 2. 4. Put 1 in 3. Result: we could make it in 60 minutes. Conclusion: we were able to make ice cream quickly by using salt and ice. In order to make the process quicker, we found it would be good to increase the amount of salt. We want to use this to make ice cream in real life.